The launch date for the OnePlus 7T series is now official, but it's kind of conflicting. Some new renders show off the whole Mate 30 series, and we should get something very soon. And it looks like Apple's strategy is working, as pre-orders are higher than apparently expected. I'm Jaime Rivera, and this is Pocketnow Daily because, you know, Diego complains about the fact that my jokes are trash, but then he doesn't add any to the script. The official news today begin with deals. Obviously, iPhones are about to launch, Pixels are about to launch, OnePluses are about to launch, so Galaxies are deals right now. For the case of the Galaxy S10 Plus, this is a refurb variant though. This comes from Amazon's Woot. It's an unlocked variant, 128 gigs of storage, and we're talking $550 Prime shipped. If you don't have Prime, you could pretty much just pay $6 for the delivery, and that will leave you with pretty much a Galaxy S10 Plus that's half the price. That's insane. That phone costs $1,000. That I would pay for a refurb. And yes, today's Monday, so what would today be without breakfast, which means your daily dose of Pixel leaks? If you still have any doubts of what the Pixel 4 looks like, we have a new gallery of images that have just emerged. We see the screen of the device as well as the phone next to some competitors like the Oppo Reno and the iPhone XR. So yeah, Google is pretty much killing it when it comes to leaks. I mean, they're doing an amazing job because I have no other explanation, starting with the fact that, you know, iPhones are launching very soon, so it makes sense. Now let's move the spotlight over to Vivo. I have a lot of admiration for this company, mainly for all their innovation. I mean, the first pop-up camera, on-display fingerprint scanner, and a ton of other technologies were first with this company. And now we've got the Vivo Nex 3, which is the third generation of the devices that have brought that innovation. Our own Joshua Vergara is there. He's been covering everything. We already have a hands-on video live. The device brings a 6.89-inch waterfall full-view OLED display, which Vivo did claim has 99.6 screen-to-body ratio, depending on who you ask about the math. Some of the specs include 5G, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, a 4500 mAh battery, a 64 megapixel main camera with a 13 megapixel ultra wide and a 13 megapixel telephoto. The non-5G model will retail for around $700, while the 5G 12 gigabyte of RAM variant will retail for $879, which is still cheaper than absolutely everything else out there that doesn't have 5G or that's launching on Friday. You know what I mean? But you know, it seems that the strategy for Apple has been working, as it turns out that even today you can pre-order the iPhone 11. It is still available for launch date, which either means that the company's doing a great job when it comes to inventories, or I don't know what to tell you. You could assume that it's because they did not sell well, but according to Ming-Chi Kuo, the demand for these iPhones is higher than expected. He claims that the popular model in the United States is the 11 Pro, while the regular is stealing the show in China. He raised his pre-order predictions from 65 to 70 million to 70 to 75 million units. That's insane. It is insane. They're not the best phones, but still, wait for Friday. Now let's move the spotlight over to the Huawei Mate series, as those are other devices that have gone insanely leaked. We're very close to the event, we will be covering it. The new renders that have just emerged show us what to expect. The Mate 30 Lite sports the same design as the Mate 20. We have a punch hole in the front, and then the Mate 30 brings a small notch and a circular design in the back. The Mate 30 Pro has a smaller notch than the Mate 20 Pro, 4 cameras, and the waterfall display, even though I believe that patent belongs to Vivo. But we also see that the Mate 30 RS with 4 cameras and the Porsche Design is going to be coming, so stay tuned, we will be covering the event live. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the OnePlus 7T and OnePlus 7T Pro. For those of you wondering when it'll launch, you know, it's kind of conflicting, but bear with me here. Apparently, we're having 2 events, one in India on September 26th and the other on October 10th in the UK. It doesn't make sense for 2 separate events for the 7T, so the India event could be their exclusive look to OnePlus TV, that's the rumor. And then the OnePlus 7T and OnePlus 7T Pro event is confirmed to happen on October 10th with a global release on October 15th. So yeah, let us know in the comments down below. I mean, we've got so many hot devices this year. Galaxy Fold coming up, obviously the price range is not even close. We've got Galaxy Notes, we've got deals on the S10s, we've got the OnePlus 7 Pro, which is always a great device. We've got the iPhone 11 dropping the price. Are you still looking forward to that OnePlus 7T, 7T Pro? Because in my case, I'm curious as to what evolution they've done with cameras and stuff like that. That's my opinion. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know yours. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel English and Spanish for more videos like this one. Also, follow us on social media as our extended coverage happens on Instagram. Follow my personal handles to see what I do with these phones. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Actually, not from here. I'm going to be traveling again.